Brett's wedding day has arrived, and she's understandably a bit nervous. In this exclusive Married at First Sight preview, Brett admits the first person she'll be kissing in 2 years is her husband. Brett reveals to her sister that she didn't get any sleep the night before her wedding in this exclusive preview of the July 28th episode of Married at First Sight. It was like Christmas Eve for love. The 33-year-old is getting ready to marry Ryan, a man she's never met. The day I've been dreaming of since I was a little girl is finally here, Brett says. I hope there is somebody at the end of the altar who is someone that has a really open heart and is genuinely ready to foster a real, genuine deep relationship. Brett hopes this marriage is the start of a new chapter for her after being unlucky in love in the past. I've definitely been hurt in past relationships a lot, probably more often than one person should have to experience, she admits. I've tried really hard and I'm definitely a commitment girl. I just believe in honoring your commitments, but I haven't had that in return. Brett also reveals that she hasn't kissed anybody in over 2 years. The next person I do kiss is going to be my husband, she says. Hopefully, the wait will have been worth it. Brett was born in New Jersey but lives in Houston. She thinks marriage will help to enhance her life. As a longtime fan of the series, Brett is willing to trust the process as a pragmatic, hopeful romantic. As for Ryan, the 35-year-old grew up in a small town in Texas where his grandparents and extended family were all within walking distance of his house. Ready for the next chapter of his life, Ryan puts pressure on himself to find a wife because he wants to be a young, active father where he can coach his son's baseball team or fight off his daughter's potential suitors. Married at First Sight Season 13 airs Wednesdays at 8 p.m. on Lifetime.